everyone, I'm here at the Blue Fern Studios booth. I remember being a design team at Blue Fern Studios when I started with Leslie, and then these new two owners that bought it. And they have some beautiful, beautiful collections. This one is the Jane's Memory, and it's just stunning. I mean, these are not the actual papers, but just like printouts. And they look super, super beautiful. And you know, Blue Fern Studios has the most beautiful chipboards, they always have. And the designers make it so shabby chic, really, really beautiful. And just, I love it. Like, here are the designs for the chipboard. And I try to go slow, but sometimes I don't know if I'm going fast or slow. So if there's something you really want to see, just rewind the video or just pause it, and then you can see everything that way. So I'm just going to show you all the designs from this collection and just show you some of the little nice artwork that is here. I have a lot of Blue Fern Studio chipboards from before, and they're just so beautiful. You can see some really, really nice design team projects, really shabby chic, and some beautiful layouts. And I just really love how they look. How pretty are those? Really, really nice. I love them so much. There's Tiffany filming as well. I'm going to show you another collection. It's called Radiance, and it's very beautiful. This is the type that I always used to like from the collections. Really, really nice. Sorry, I'm a bit shaky. And there's also some stamps that are really nice, and I think they come with these as well, which are like probably like really nice things that comes with it. The chipboard. There's some really nice frames for the collection. Then we have the bird waltz, and I'll show it to you. Yeah, I'm gonna just show it. So pretty. I love that one with the butterfly. So here are the stamps from this collection. Look at that really tattered bird one, and the ephemera that goes with it. And then I will show you the chipboard. I love that frame with the butterfly. I love butterflies and birds. I always did have. Then we have Eclectic Charm. And this is a really nice and deep colored one. I love it. How beautiful is this? I try to show the details, but you can zoom in on your YouTube and put it on a bigger screen. Sometimes it's hard to like get every single page. And as I said, just pause it if there's something you want to see, because it's really hard for me to videotape everything, especially because I'm short and things are high up. So Blue Fern is known for their amazing quality chipboard, and it's just really nice to see that. Then there is the Glory of the Garden, and I'm showing you now a full set. I'll go slower through that so you can see all three things. I'm actually not using my tripod because I already put it away, but I just want to show you the design. So how cool is that? And finally, the last collection is a Romantic Life, and it's really pretty as well. Really, really nice. Very romantic looking, shabby chic, beautiful. There's the frames and the words. It says like a true romantic, and these feathers are just gorgeous. So these are the ones that are just really romantic. I guess perfect for Valentine's Day that's coming up. And you can find Blue Fern Studios. Where are Blue Fern Studios found? Scrapbook.com? I don't know. No? Blue Moon? And where are Blue Fern Studios? Where do you find?
You know what? They're from the dining
Where can you buy them? I'm like, Blue Moon. Anywhere.
Where you can find this paper?
Yeah, Blue Moon. Blue Moon. Scrapbooking. Okay, bye everyone.